what we're about. I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. But I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life.
Hey you guys, so as you can see, my wig came via DHL, really fast shipping. I will talk about that a little later on in the video, but here is my package. This wig came from a company called Olonagirl, and she is on Instagram. She's located in Nigeria, you guys. Nigeria, yes, I love it. So these are the things that came with my package. She sent some wig caps, which is perfect because I always use that color, and also some extra jewels for the wig. Now this is the wig itself, and y'all see how excited I am. I'm opening it for the first time on camera with you. I just couldn't wait. I had to hurry up and do this video, even though I'm getting over a cold, which is why my voice sounds so crazy. But yeah, you guys, this is the wig. It is a 360. Of course, it has combs on the inside, and it also has adjustable straps. But check out this craftsmanship, you guys. Like, look at how beautiful this wig is. This wig is also 32 inches long. As you can see, she has her logo on the wig itself, which is perfect. And on the back of it, it tells you all of the details of your wig.
To me, it's so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out.
Hey you guys, I know you're like, what is that on your head? But this is just something like a little silk wrap that I have. I actually did a video on this years ago, so if you guys want to check that video out, hopefully I can link it down below. It's so old, so I don't know, but I did a whole review about this thing on my head. It's just like a nice silk wrap with Velcro, and I have it on to basically hold down my braids on the side so they can lay a lot flatter, and then, you know, it can adhere to my head. So y'all, I know y'all saw the beginning of this video, or maybe I'm showing you now, but this is a wig. I know you're like, what? A wig. Now, let me just explain. I'm on Instagram. I see this girl's IG, and I'm like, yo, her wigs are fire. The very first wig I saw of hers, which is Olonagirl, that is the name of the company. I do have my little card here, basically telling you about, you know, my wig. But yeah, we're gonna get into that in a second. Like I said, I'm on Instagram. I see this pink lemonade. I believe Nicki Minaj did a video with a, you know, the pink lemonade braids, and they were so long and so pretty. So that's the first thing that attracted me to this girl's Instagram. I saw that and I was like, what? I need one of those wigs. So she made my wig, sent it out to me. I tell you, the whole process took probably like a week, maybe less. I know that the day she DM'd me and told me my tracking number is the exact same day that I got my wig. This company is based out of Nigeria, so for me to get my wig so quick, for her to just do the braids and, you know, make the wig so fast, I was so impressed and so shocked because I was not expecting to get my wig so fast. And I already knew that it was going to be a quality wig based on what I saw. I'm going to show you guys her website, and I'm also going to show you her Instagram. You guys are going to be like, what? Like, she does amazing work. Like, I really deadass want to go to Nigeria and have her braid my hair for me, like my own natural hair. But no need. You don't have to sit in nobody's salon or nobody's chair for 8, 9, 10 hours or however long it takes to do braids, and no pain or anything like that. You can just get a wig, and the best part about it is her wigs are affordable. You guys know when I come on here and I start talking, I'm gonna let you know the tea. Sis, the tea is, her wigs are, Bella is so annoying, y'all. Like, it's not even funny. Like, she dead ass is by my door wanting to come in. I'll be right back. So as I was saying before we were rudely interrupted by Miss Bella, yeah, so I have a card here. Now, the type of wig I have is braids. I can't tell you if the braids are synthetic or human hair. I have no idea because I don't know about that kind of stuff. But if I do find out, I will scroll it here or I'll put it down below in the description box, because I know some people are allergic to synthetic hair. You only need human hair. My suggestion for that is when you contact her and you tell her exactly what you want, let her know if you have any type of allergic reactions to synthetic hair and you need human hair, and I'm pretty sure she will fulfill that order for you. She does her work, and yo, her team is amazing. Like, I am so impressed by this unit and all the rest of her units that she has on her site and on her Instagram. So the style that I have here is called TIWA, T-I-W-A, and the color that I have is natural black, and the length, you guys, is 32 inches. I didn't know that. Everything is fucking long on me because I'm short, but this one is really, really long. I'm gonna try to show you guys in another clip just how long it is, but you should be following me on Snapchat and Instagram to get updated on pictures, video clips, stuff like that if you want to see more of this unit. So again, on this card, she does have an Instagram, duh. She also has a number that you can contact her and talk about, you know, what you want, and just, she'll do it. And she's quick and affordable. I've seen units like this that are worth, like, I mean, this one is worth it too, but it's just so affordable. Like, what? I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm impressed. I love it. I will never go to a salon and get my hair braided ever again. No locks, no faux locks, or none of that. I will use this wig, and I'm probably gonna purchase a wig from her. If I see another style that I like, I'm gonna let her know, because this is my girl now. Like, me and her, we here. Olonagirl, I know you watching this video. We here. We here, girl. We here. I love this. I love this unit. I'm very happy with it. All of the information will be down below in the description box, so you know, please be sure to check there. And I just want to take this off so you guys can see what I'm doing now. The baby hairs, I don't have a problem with the baby hairs, honestly. I really don't. I think that the baby hairs bring a lot of character to the wig itself. It doesn't, you know, look all plain Jane. And if I was to get my hair braided, I probably would have my baby hairs out anyway. So I'm glad that she did that. They're extra long, so you guys can customize the baby hairs to your liking. To some of y'all, this might be too much. Oh no, Donna, you're doing too much. To me, I love it. I got my daughter's approval, so I'm game. I love it. I like the fact that these two braids right here are going to the front, not going to the back. Like, she really did this. Like, I've seen this style so many times, and it's all on someone, you know, that got their hair braided, whereas you don't have, like, look at this. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Like, are you seeing it through my eyes? Do you see this? Like, look, it looks so real. Like, it looks like I just got my hair done. So I'm loving it. I know you guys loving it too, because everything I love, y'all love. And yeah, don't forget to let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section. Blow my comments up, you guys. I know y'all gonna have a lot to say about this unit. So let me know everything you think, and don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell, because some of y'all are not seeing my videos. A lot of y'all think I went MIA, and I'm still here. Like, I'm still making videos. So hit that notification bell if you want to be updated whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram. I just reactivated my Facebook, so you guys can follow me there as well. We could be friends, we could talk. You guys know I always talk to y'all. I never ignore y'all. And yeah, on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.